we have here, we have the Autel 47 kilowatt movable charger, 2 ports, splits halfway, can charge 2 vehicles at the same time, splits the power output. Over here we have the Kempower satellite, again 2 ports, up to 150 kilowatts or 225 or even 300 kilowatts, depending on the power modules that you attach to this. Comes as hub and spoke, so you have the main power units in a cabinet charging the satellites you have all over the application, or we do standalone with the ports coming out. Different charge heads, different for different vehicles. Made in Finland, very high quality, very robust.
Oh, this is made in Finland?
Yes.
I mean, your company is from Finland?
No, we're a British company.
Oh, you're British company.
We basically we distribute these products as hardware, but we support them with software services.
Can I take this out? Can you take this out?
Yeah, software services, support.
Oh.
And we provide maintenance programs. So basically, we look after our customers, not just with the hardware, but we make sure that they achieve their uptime and availability targets with their charging infrastructure.
So these are like you install for houses as well?
No, they're not domestic. This is purely commercial, DC
Purely
charger.
commercial,
Yeah.
DC charger.
DC chargers.
Yeah.
So it's for high power, relatively high volume. This is for the maxi charger range that we do for Autel.
What is the difference in them two? You know?
This is movable.
Oh, this is movable.
This is you take this to the applicator. This is to take this to the vehicle you want to charge. This will be a fixed installation on your site, and you'll have a number of these spread around your site to charge vehicles. And that's usually part of a hub and spoke solution. So the power modules will sit in a specific place, and then they will feed into the satellite units that we charge on the vehicles.
Excellent.
And what we have here is the Kempower movable. Again, Kempower movable, same manufacturer but a different application.
This is also movable, yeah?
This is movable, but this is in the crash frame. Single port or dual port, 40 kilowatts, split evenly when you connect 2 vehicles, 63 amp supply. Obviously movable. We have this positioned in a crash frame for just safety for the unit if it's on site. Particularly in areas where you want it to have it out in the open if you're moving vehicles around. Quite an expensive asset to hit. Put the crash frame around, it protects the asset.
Oh, I see. I mean, which one does well, you know, like for charging purpose? Which one is better, you know, this one?
Depends on your application. There's no one answer to that, because if you want to take the charger to the vehicle,
yeah.
And obviously they're movable, but it's low power.
Okay.
This is only 40 kilowatts. If you've got an application where you've got many vehicles, you've got fleets, you're moving around, fixed installation, you might have 4, 6, 8 of these spread around your site, fed from the main power bank. That would be higher power charge. That would be what we use class as. That would be rapid. This would be classed as ultra rapid, usually about 150 kilowatts charge.
Can they be used for trucks as well?
Yes.
For trucks as well, yeah?
Trucks as well. We have this is an air-cooled one. We have a water-cooled version, which will deliver 400 kilowatts.
400 kilowatts?
Yeah, but that's water. Obviously the cable is water-cooled.
Excellent. Tell about this?
Pardon?
You want to tell about this?
What do you do?